Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to make a very simple Arduino tutorial. It is about joystick and servo. I already had a tutorial, but maybe that video is not really explanatory, so I'm going to make this one that is very simple to follow, and I will make it very clear. I have this joystick. Let me show you the pins. Here I have ground pin. This one is ground pin, the first one, and 5V pin, X pin, Y pin, switch pin. In this video I will only use these three first pin: ground, 5V, and X pin, the first three pins. And the joystick direction in my case is like this. This is the X direction, and up and down is Y direction. Because I use servo and it will only need one direction, I will use horizontal direction, left and right. So what I'm going to do is to connect it to my breadboard. I will power it using Arduino. The blue one is the negative wire, the plus one, the red one is plus wire. I will connect the red one to the 5V pin of this Arduino, and the blue one to the ground pin next to it. For this joystick, because I'm going to place it here, I will place it somewhere here on the pin number 10. So I need to extend the wire like this. The blue one, the negative one, I will place it to the number 10 pin here on my breadboard. It doesn't matter anywhere, but no, I will place it here. That is for this ground pin on my joystick, the first pin. The red one, the next one, the positive one, will be here, the second pin of the joystick. Later I will place the joystick like this. And the X pin for the horizontal axis value, I will use for the Arduino, I will use A0 pin, analog input pin, and it will be the third pin for the joystick. I place it here. Then I attach the joystick. Make sure it is aligned correctly. For the servo motor, the servo motor has this brown, red, and yellow wire here. The yellow one is the data wire, so I will use analog digital data pin here, number 2. Yes, it is here. And for the power, positive and negative, I will use the breadboard. Oh, sorry, it is wrong pin. The white wire, the data wire, pin number 2, digital pin number 2. And for the negative pin and positive pin, I will place it here. We are done with wiring of our Arduino joystick and servo motor. Now let's go to computer. Okay guys, we are going to type some code to this Arduino. For the position of the servo, it will be like this. The servo value range between 0 to 180, right? And the
X value of the joystick input is the range is between 0 to 1023. Let's say between 1 to 1024. If we divide 1024, we divide it by the maximum value of the servo, which is 180. The value is 5.68. So I type floor x file divided by 5.68. Then the value of the result value, we will use it to control the servo motor. Okay, it is done uploading. I'm going to move my joystick left and right.
I have this LiPo battery, and it is a step down DC to DC converter from 40 volt to 5 volt. I will attach this wire here, blue wire, as the negative wire, and this orange one as the positive, and insert it on this plus line here, and this one for the negative line, negative wire. Then I will attach my battery to my as the power source. Alright, this is our servo, and I'm going to control it using this joystick, left, right. If I release this joystick, it will return to the center value, which is about 180, for example. The middle value will be 90 of the servo.